Welcome to the What If channel, where imagination meets possibility. Let's dive into today's mind-bending question. What if Syria achieved peace and stability after decades of conflict? What if Syria, a nation plagued by war and suffering for over a decade, finally found peace and stability? How would this historic transformation impact not just the Middle East, but the entire world? In this video, we explore the incredible possibilities that a peaceful Syria could bring, from rebuilding a shattered nation to reshaping global politics. Let's dive into this hopeful scenario and uncover its potential ripple effects. Imagine a Syria free from the horrors of war. Cities like Aleppo, Homs, and Damascus, once vibrant cultural hubs, could be rebuilt to their former glory. Infrastructure projects would restore roads, schools, and hospitals, providing a foundation for growth and development. Families displaced by the conflict could finally return home, reuniting with loved ones and rebuilding their lives. This rebirth wouldn't just be about structures. It would also mean healing deep emotional scars. Programs for trauma recovery and education could empower the younger generation to lead the country toward a brighter future. The resilience of the Syrian people would shine as they reclaimed their identity and culture. A peaceful Syria would have profound effects on the Middle East. Refugee flows that have strained resources in neighboring countries like Turkey, Lebanon, and Jordan could reverse, reducing pressure on their economies and infrastructure. The restoration of trade routes through Syria would boost commerce across the region, fostering economic collaboration between nations. Political tensions could also ease. A stable Syria might mediate regional disputes, improving relations between rival powers like Saudi Arabia and Iran. Cooperation on shared challenges such as water scarcity and climate change could become possible, paving the way for a more united and prosperous Middle East. The world would feel the effects of a peaceful Syria, too. Humanitarian crises would decrease, allowing international organizations to focus resources on other global issues. Nations that have hosted large numbers of refugees could see economic benefits as these individuals return to Syria and contribute to rebuilding efforts. Tourism, once a significant part of Syria's economy, could make a comeback. Sites like Palmyra and the Umayyad Mosque, symbols of Syria's rich cultural heritage, could once again attract visitors from around the globe, fostering cultural exchange and economic growth. Moreover, peace in Syria could shift geopolitical dynamics. Major powers like the US, Russia, and European nations could reduce military involvement in the region, focusing instead on diplomacy and development. This could mark a turning point in global foreign policy, prioritizing collaboration over conflict. But achieving lasting peace in Syria wouldn't be easy. The country faces significant challenges, including rebuilding trust between divided communities, tackling corruption, and navigating complex political alliances. International support would be crucial, but so would the leadership of Syrians themselves, who must chart a path forward. Additionally, extremist groups and the remnants of past conflicts could pose threats to stability. Addressing these issues would require long-term commitment and innovative solutions. The idea of a peaceful Syria is more than just a dream, it's a vision of hope for the future. While the road ahead may be difficult, the potential rewards are immeasurable. A stable Syria could inspire the world, proving that even the deepest scars of conflict can heal with resilience and determination. What do you think? Could Syria ever achieve this vision of peace, or are the challenges too great to overcome? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like and follow for more.